Yeah.
And the most heartbreaking moment was Kimi Antonelli after the race asked how many points did Max lose the title by. He
Two,
said
Yeah.
2 points, yeah.
2 points.
That was the two
Oh,
points which were gifted by him in Qatar.
Qatar. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Mhm.
But like, and hats off to Max. Like, Max is becoming so likable. But like, Kimi met Max, and Max was like, just say, "Kandhe pe haath rakhe, ah, don't worry about it, dude. This, that, blah, blah." And like, Kimi, it was not like, kya bolte hai? Like, it was almost looking like it is going to become that Glock situation that was in like 2000,
Mm-hmm.
2008. But like, Kimi's tires were like really gone. Like, you can see him lose control. And I think
Yeah.
in the moment, GP was like, Kimi just let Norris pass and he got so much abuse. Which, I mean, guys, he's a 17-year-old kid. Like, what the fuck are you
And
doing?
he did not let him pass. Like
Huh.
he did,
And the
yeah,
thing
let.
is that,
He
like,
didn't have an option.
but the thing is
Yeah.
that, but
What was
the,
he supposed to do?
but like, but my thing is that, like, these fans who are so allegedly Formula One fans, okay, even if, let's say, GP said, like, he just let him pass, like, heat of the moment, he did not see exactly what happened, this, that, blah, blah, blah. So, he said it. You've also watched the race now. I'm assuming if you say
Yeah.
you're Formula One fans, you've watched the race, so you've seen what happened. So
And
then,
I don't
how
get how
how do you
your
not have?
primal instinct is to abuse and to, get very.
It is
It cannot be
insane,
that.
bro. It is insane to me. Like, how do you not have two brain cells that can like think critically? Like, what you saw what happened. Like, he loses control momentarily, and like the McLaren is like, they're so fast. But also, can we give a round of applause to McLaren team? Like, they are the reason why we even got this closer championship
Yes,
battle.
yes.
Like, they were so
As
shit.
much as,
They were so shit
yeah.
that
Barely kept it.
yeah. And also, like, oh man, and we should praise Oscar also. I think going into the season, nobody thought that Oscar would be anywhere close to Norris. And like Zandvoort ke
Yes.
baad, we were all saying the championship is over. Like Oscar, because Lando DNF'd, Oscar won the race, and
Was
yeah,
not consistent enough.
towards the end he wasn't, but it's okay. It's his third season. It's fine.